What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be taking a look at Bass Master. This is a bass plugin by Loopmasters and I'll be showing you how to use this. This is one of the bass plugins I've been using for a while now and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So I used the Bass Master as my sub bass in this track. And I'll show you what exactly I did in this track. But let's pull up a fresh copy of Bass Master, a new instance, and let's go through the basics of this. So this is a bass plugin you can use for any of your tracks. I use this for hip hop, Afro music, electronic music, and even sometimes I use this for some things in cinematic music. So this is like the first plugin I think of when I think of bass, and this has really served me and helped me get that bass sound I want to get very fast. So we have the presets option here. You can choose different types of presets. This is already sorted out for you in different categories. You have sub basses here, you have harsh basses, smooth basses. Let's see some of the simple bass sounds we have here. So we have 808 here. Let's see. This is organ bass and organ bass. Let's see a sub bass. So this is the one I'm using in this track, this particular preset, and I use this sub bass preset a lot. So you can also make very interesting and creative bass sounds with this plugin. Let's look at some presets here. Let's check this category. So let's build off of this and let's try to make an interesting bass sound. So the first thing we want to look into is the top layer and the sub layer. These are the two bass samples you'll be using when you're using Bass Master. And if you turn this down, you only hear the top layer. But if you turn this up, you start to hear the sub bass. So this is the sub layer and that's the top layer. So you can change the top layer here. Let's just change this to something else. I like that. And let's change the sub layer to a simple sub bass. Let's see, clean sub. So I like that. So you can mix between the top layer and the sub layer here, and you have your basic envelope controls here. So that's how you set the two samples you use in Bass Master. So you have your filters here. You have different kind of filters here. Then you have an LFO here. So you have a glide knob here that you can use to glide between notes. And you have your pitch. You have some effects here. We have distortion and we have different types of distortions. That's pretty hard. Let's. You have your chorus, so you can make things very wide. And that's a very wide bass. And we have a reverb here, so I'm just going to turn this down. So we have 3 solid effects there to mess around with your bass, so you can really make lots of creative things here. And down here we have something called frequency booster, and this is like a saturation module, and you can increase the frequencies in the top range, the top frequencies, the high frequencies. You can increase the mid frequencies or multiply the mid frequencies, and also the bottom frequencies, the low end. So this is like a very neat bass saturation module. Then of course you have your master volume here. So that's the basics of how to use Bassmaster. This is a very extensive bass plugin. This is the first plugin I pick up when I think of bass in any track I'm making, and this has been very, very useful to me. So let's see what I did with this in the track I have here. So this is the sub 1 presets, and let's see how it sounds. So this is a very clean sub bass. So let's do some things to this. Let's widen this and add some distortion. So let's hear how this sounds in the mix. That's how to use Bassmaster, and that'll be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Let's listen to this song.